Hi guys, welcome back to ChemWiz. Today we are going to learn how pesticides work on pests. Common household pesticides are heat, baygon sprays, and common household pests are cockroaches. Cockroaches can survive on many organic materials, taking from cardboard to our furniture. They can even eat wood and digest them, which contain cellulose enzyme. Hence, the wood is made up of cellulose. So they can digest and they can survive even on our furniture. These cockroaches are nocturnal insects. They come out at nights and eat everything. They even carry some dreadful diseases with them. In the sense, they carry dreadful bacteria like Salmonella typhi, which cause typhoid. And even they carry viruses like poliovirus, which called poliomyelitis, which causes polio, which has been eradicated, but still they carry that virus. There is a myth saying that cockroach can survive even after nuclear blast. After explosion on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, scientists have discovered cockroaches still surviving in that area. Is that true? Yes, it is. Because radiation emitted from that nuclear explosion will affect mainly dividing cells or replicating cells. So it affects mainly replication process. So in cockroach, it hardly undergoes molt in a week. So in a week, in the sense, the cockroach divides its cells hardly in a week. So it has less cell cycles. Cell cycles in the sense, less effect of radiation. Their simple body plan and low cell cycles are making them resistant towards this radiation. Then how these pesticides are killing these cockroaches? Let's look into the ingredients in these pesticides like heat and baygon. Commonly used ingredients in heat and baygon are erythrine, cypermethrin. These compounds are also called pyrethroids. Pyrethroids are naturally extracted from flowers like chrysanthemum. These pyrethroids will act on sodium voltage gated channels. Oh, that's a lot of science. Let's just look into a normal cockroach. When the cockroach moves, their neurons are in function, right? Let us look into a neuron. A neuron has a cell body and an axon. Axon is a long filament from the cell body. This axon has many sodium voltage gated channels. What does it mean, voltage gated channels? It depends. The channel will open and close by the mechanism of depolarization or cell potentials or voltage regulations. So when in normal neuronal cell, when a cell potential come across the axon, the sodium voltage gated channels will open. In normal axonal cell, a negative charge will be there inside and a positive charge outside. Positive charge in the form of sodium ions. When the cell potential came across this axon, these sodium gated channels are opening and the sodium ions are coming inside, making more negative outside and positive inside, quite opposite to that of normal neuronal cell. So after cell potential will go from an axon, after post cell potential effect, what happens is the sodium voltage gated channels will be closing, and the sodium pump, which is present beside the sodium voltage gated channels, will be sending excess sodium inside axon to outside and restoring its normal potential, more negative inside and more positive outside. It came back to its normal position. When a cockroach is exposed to pyrethroids, these pyrethroids will entering into the respiratory system through spiracles. Spiracles are present on the abdomen of a cockroach. From the spiracles, it enters into the trachea to tracheoles. These tracheoles will supply many oxygen to axons or neurons. So through this way, it enters into the neuronal cell. After entering, these pyrethroids will keep sodium channels open. By keeping the sodium channels open, continuous influx of sodium will be there towards inside of axon. Hence, as a continuous influx of axons will create many polarizing waves of that particular neuron. Like this, many neurons will be producing many action potentials. Hence, we can see when we spray heat on a cockroach, it will be having many convolutions and before its death. Then after sodium is coming inside, there will be a complete neutralization of that particular neuron. that we have to say that neuron is completely dead. Hence the body gets paralyzed. Soon the cockroach will be dead. This way the pesticides like hit and baygon are affecting the cockroach or killing a cockroach. That's it for today guys. Thank you.